Hello everyone, today we have the Boya BYM1 Lavalier microphone with us and we are going to check out what do we get inside of the box. So on the box, as you can see, it gives you superb sound for presentations and video recordings. And as we flip the box towards the side, you can see that it can be used with smartphones, camcorders, DSLRs, audio recorders, PC and whatnot. So without any further ado, let's just quickly unbox this device. So firstly, we get to see this nice carrying pouch with it. And as you can see, we also have the BOYA branding on top of it. I'll keep this aside for now and see what else do we have. And here's the microphone itself, which comes in an all black color, and you're going to notice that it has got a pretty huge cable which is coiled for now. So let's keep it that way. Here we have the 3.5 mm connector towards this side, and on the other side we have the microphone itself. And let me tell you that it is an omnidirectional microphone which supports the frequency range of 65 Hz to 18,000 kHz. Let's keep this aside and see what else do we have. Here we also have an instructions manual. You can go through it and see how to set up this microphone. Then we have a few stickers by the company, and of course we get to see a warranty card by Boya. Let's keep this manuals aside and see what else do we have inside of the box. We also get the small silicone packaging to keep this product dry. So here we have the wind muff. This can be used to control all the airy noises that you can hear while talking. So all you've got to do is place this on top of your microphone and you're ready to go. Then we also get to see a converter which converts 3.5 mm to a 1/4 inch jack. Then we also get to see a clip on that you can use to clip onto your clothes. And last but not the least, we also get to see a battery to power this up when you're using it with your camera. And let me tell you that this microphone is going to work without battery when you're using it with your smartphone. Moving forward, let me also quickly show you how to set up this microphone. So all you've got to do is take this 3.5 mm jack and insert it into your smartphone or camera like that. Then you have to select whether you're using a smartphone or a camera. So for now, as you're using a smartphone, we're going to switch it downwards on smartphone and then press on record. And you're going to notice as the waves are moving, this microphone is recording our voice. That's all folks. This was all about the Boya BYM1 Lavalier microphone. Thank you so much for watching the video.